Have you noticed something strange lately? We have more entertainment, more comfort, more freedom than any generation before us. And yet somehow, nothing feels satisfying anymore. You watch your favorite show, but after 2 episodes, you're bored. You scroll social media, but after 5 minutes, you feel empty. Even good news doesn't hit the same. It's like our brain has silently lowered the volume on joy. Why? Because we're all stuck in something called the dopamine trap. Dopamine is the brain's reward chemical. It's what makes you feel excited, motivated, curious. But here's the twist. Dopamine isn't released when you get something. It's released when you expect something. That means your brain gets more excited about what might happen than what actually happens. This is why waiting for a message feels more thrilling than receiving it. The chase is stronger than the catch. And today's world is designed exactly for that. Endless scrolling, notifications, food delivery, shopping apps, everything is made to keep you wanting more. Imagine you open your phone just for 2 minutes, and suddenly it's 40 minutes later. You didn't plan it, your brain did. Your brain keeps shouting, next, 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 even when you're not enjoying anything. It's like eating potato chips. You're not hungry, but somehow the pack is always empty. Over time, your brain gets used to these small, fast dopamine hits. And once it gets used to them, normal things stop feeling rewarding. A walk outside feels boring. Reading feels slow. Conversations feel too long. Even your goals feel too far away. You don't feel sad. You just feel nothing. That's the trap. Dopamine keeps you chasing tiny pleasures while slowly killing your ability to enjoy the real ones. This is why people jump between apps every 10 seconds, why we watch videos at 2x speed, why even a 10-minute task suddenly feels impossible. Our brain has become addicted to instant stimulation. Real life, which is naturally slow, quiet, and imperfect, starts feeling uncomfortable. It's like going from eating spicy chips every day to eating plain salad. It's healthy, but your brain says, "Bro, what is this?" But here's the good news. You're not broken. Your brain is just overwhelmed, and it can recover. When you reduce those quick dopamine spikes, something magical happens. Slowly, natural joys come back. A simple walk feels calming. Music sounds richer. Work feels satisfying. You feel grounded again. Your mind stops racing, and you start living. You don't need to quit everything. You just need small resets. Put your phone in another room when you're working. Replace 10 minutes of scrolling with 10 minutes of sitting quietly. Eat without watching something. Take a break from excessive stimulation, and your brain will naturally rebalance itself. It's like cleaning a messy room. Slow at first, but peaceful once done. In the end, the dopamine trap isn't about technology. It's about losing control of what controls you. Life will never feel enough if your brain is constantly craving the next hit. But when you choose presence over dopamine, you rediscover a feeling that's far more powerful than excitement, contentment. And trust me, that's the feeling we've all been missing.